Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. If you are watching this video, chances are you want to learn Excel, but maybe you feel Excel is difficult, confusing, or only Excel for the expert. Let me tell you something clearly right now at the start. Excel is not difficult. In this course, I will teach you Excel in every step by step, simple and practical way. Even if you have never opened Excel before, you can still follow along comfortably. So relax, take a breath, and let's start from zero. What is Microsoft Excel? Now let's understand what Excel actually is. Microsoft Excel is a software created by Microsoft. It is mainly used to store data, work with a number, do calculation, and create reports. But don't worry about this big word. In simple terms, Excel helps us to organize our data neat and clean, easy to understand. Instead of writing things on a paper or calculation everything in manually, Excel does the hard work for us. It's very good. Where is Excel used? Now you might be thinking, where is Excel actually used for in real life? Let me give you some very common example. In offices, Excel is used to create salary sheet, attendance record, and daily reports. For the student use, Excel to prepare project data, mark sheets, and simple analysis. For business owners, use Excel to track their sales, expenses, profit, and stock. It's very easy. Even at home, people use Excel to manage monthly expenses. So if you want to learn Excel, you are learning a life skill, not just a computer tool. Why you should learn Excel? Let me be very honest with you. Excel is one of the most demanded skills for the job today. Even basic Excel knowledge can increase your confidence and your job opportunity. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to understand the basic and the exact what this course will help you with. If you practice a little every day, Excel will start to feel easy and even enjoyable. Okay, quick look at Excel. Now look at my screen. This is Microsoft Excel. At first glance, it may be look little strange, but don't worry. We will understand everything step by step in this course. You can see a lot of boxes here. These boxes help you to organize information neatly. Excel work like a smart notebook where everything is arranged properly. So calculation and analysis become very easy. For now, just observe the screen. You don't need to remember anything yet. So at last, this was our first lesson. Today, your only job is understand what Excel is and why it is important. In the next video, we will explore the Excel screen and understand every part of it clearly. So, if you feel lost, even this video helped you feel more confident about Excel. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. Thank you for the watching and I will see you in the next video.